So now that we are back, welcome back. Happy 2024. Give me hands up if you had a great break or enjoyed something new or was able to spend time with family and friends. I'd love to see that. Awesome. All right, so coming off of our break, during the month of December, we celebrated what character ed trait? Go ahead. Respect. Courtesy and respect. Which one is it? Respect, you're right. So when we think about respect, we want to think about watching ourselves, with providing personal space with one another, treating each other as we would want to be treated, right? Keeping our hands and our feet to ourselves and being mindful of the things that we say and do. I will say that in the cafeteria during the month of December, I saw a lot of respect happening, and I want to thank you so much for all your hard work in the cafeteria, in the classroom, in the hallways. We had a really great month in December, so I'm hoping now that we're back and it's January that we can continue that, okay? Does anybody have a guess as to what our character ed trait will be for January? Ooh, you guys are good. All right, well, before we get to curiosity, I want to pass it off to our teachers. So if I can have Mrs. Reber come on up. And just as a reminder, I know that you guys are super excited to be back and to celebrate all of those that are going to get awards today. But we're going to ask that everybody wait until all 5 names are called for us to applause, okay? And give Mrs. Reber your undying attention.
Good morning. So from 4th grade, we have from Miss Mooney's class, this student is always respectful to his teachers and classmates. He goes out of his way to listen to what others have to say. He has good manners and is very respectful, a very respectful partner during class activities. Nice job to Jacob Chrissy. This next student is from Mrs. McClurg's class. This student shows respect each and every day to her classmates and teachers. She always uses her manners and uses kind words to encourage her classmates. This student follows all school rules and never forgets to raise a quiet hand. She is a great role model for respect, and that student is Riley Mangiafrida. This student is from Mrs. Marcello's class. This student demonstrates respect in every interaction. He treats adults and his peers the way he wants to be treated, with kindness, compassion, and a listening ear. He is respectful of his and others' property. This student is also respectful in regards to personal space. And I've actually seen this numerous times. This is Easton Fox. Miss Mooney and Miss Schlagenuff's class. This student demonstrates respect every day. She is kind to everyone, no matter if they are friends or strangers. She completes her work and will include everyone. This student is an excellent example of how respect should be shown each and every day. This student is Eva Kemp. This student is from Miss Pashanik's class. This student always treats others in a way he wants to be treated. He is a great listener in the classroom when adults or peers are speaking. He was even recognized by several classmates for showing respect on a daily basis. Keep up the great work, Carter Wood. actually very impressed with how respectful you are all being right now. This last student is from my class. This student is very considerate of others and their feelings. She actively listens to her classmates and waits her turn. She follows classroom and school rules and leads by example. This student greets others with a hello and a smile, and this is Mia Engler. You guys can head out in the hallway.
Yeah.
Yep.
Come take a picture.
And next up is 8th grade, Mrs. Rose.
Good morning. Our first recipient is from Mrs. Montleone's room. This person is a role model for respect. He's consistently showing respect not only to adults but also to his peers. Helpful and kind, always including others in whatever he's doing. He's listening, following directions, ready to lend a hand. Thank you for being respectful and having a great attitude, Christopher Costa. The next recipient is from my homeroom. Our choice for respect was an obvious choice because this person is literally always smiling, creates a bubble of positivity everywhere he goes. Not afraid of a friendly Uno battle or to share a great recipe with his 5th grade teachers. When you think of a person who is a friend to all, somebody that is definitely sure to share a smile with everybody he meets, somebody that includes anyone left out without a partner, you can always think of Maddox Finney. All right. Coming to us from Mrs. Caldwell's class, we have a student that is a role model for respect, who shows care and concern for others, uses polite manners, demonstrates kindness, listens to others' thoughts and feelings of others, and always provides a positive, encouraging response. This person shows respect daily by recognizing and caring about how her actions impact others. Congratulations, Evelyn Carubia. All right, coming to us from Mr. Beach's room. This person is described as one of the most, capital M, capital O, capital S, capital T, respectful people that this Mr. Beach knows. He has impeccable manners, shows a genuine interest in what others are saying, polite nature, something that does not go unnoticed, and impresses everyone he interacts with on a daily basis. Keep up the good work, Drew Spink. Mrs. O'Gene's room. This person is always including students in class whenever they get into groups of learning. This person always makes sure that everybody has a buddy. And if they don't, he makes sure that they include him into a group. This person treats everybody with respect and is always a friend to all. Keep up the great job, Tyler Chamberlain.
All right, you guys may go out. Okay. And last but not least, our 6th graders. It's always one.
All right, our first award comes from Miss Amber's homeroom. This student is clearly a role model for respect. They are always polite and kind to their peers and adults. This student leads others by example and is always willing to help someone in need. They are quick to notice when others are upset or struggling and goes out of their way to help them. Their quiet way of helping shows them that they do this out of respect for others and not for personal recognition. Congratulations to Lola Fussell. This next award is coming from Mr. Purdy's homeroom. This student is always respectful of their classmates. They treat others the way they like to be treated by respecting their personal space and including others. This is an awesome classmate to have. Congratulations to Zoe Farrell. This next award is from Mrs. Valentino's homeroom. This student is extremely respectful to both their peers and adults. They will go out of their way to say a kind word or to help someone in need. They are a role model for others. Congratulations to Andy Murphy. All right, and from my homeroom, this student is always respectful to their peers and teachers. They do a wonderful job at listening to others and respecting differences. They treat everyone with respect and is a great role model. Congratulations to Arabella.
All right, congratulations to our 6th grade. All right, so as we begin our month of curiosity is really about asking questions, trying some new things that maybe you wouldn't necessarily do on a day-to-day basis. It's also exploring things that you're interested in wondering about, so really pushing your thinking past the day and trying something new and building new knowledge, whether it's in a book, experiences, or going out and exploring nature, or other things that maybe you might not know anything about, okay? So with curiosity, we have Mrs. Tran today, who's going to be honest, I don't know what she's going to do. All she asked me for were 2 boxes and a stick today, and said that I had to use my own curious side to figure out what we would be doing today. So I'm gonna turn it over to Mrs. Tran, and put on your thinking caps and your eyeliners. You don't.
Come on, you guys know I have a very loud voice. Can everybody hear me? Yes. All right. I don't like microphones. Okay, so in 2005, the box was put into the Toy Hall of Fame. In 2008, the stick was put into the Toy Hall of Fame. Why? Why? Hands down. What we're going to do today is a game called What Is It? Are you curious here? This is not a box. This is not a stick. What you are going to do, I'm going to have a couple volunteers. Now, hands down. I got to tell you what to do first, guys. I'm glad you're so excited, but I got to tell you what to do. So you're going to come up. You're going to look at our not box and our not stick. And think about what they are now. Then, you guys are going to guess about what they have thought that they are. The only noise that our participants can make is something that the item would make. For example, and you can't copy, by the way. Ready?
Baseball.
What is it?
Baseball bat.
It's a baseball bat. Yes. Okay? Nobody else can use it now. Okay. It is not a box.
A friend.
It's a picnic basket. I think our first participant. You can use the stick, you can use the box, or the non-stick and the non-box, or you can use them both. It's up to you.
And it has to be some type of action that I can use either item with,
It
correct?
can be, what do you want this non-box to be now? What do you want the stick to be now?
Not skiing, good guess.
A paddle boat.
Not a jump rope. A boat, yes.
I said a paddle boat.
All right, now I need a volunteer. Mackenzie. Curiouser and curiouser. All right, let's see.
What was it?
Who's gonna be next? Creative. All right, let's see. Zoe. The non-stick.
A wand. Jump number 2.
Yes. I'm not gonna lie, I was hoping somebody would do that. All right, let's see. I need a point.
Excuse me. I just want.
Trying to see way in the back. You're pointing to the person next to you. So nice. Come on. No, this guy over here. You can be next if you want. Yeah, sit right here though. You can be next. Nathan, sit right there. That was an easy one. Okay, Nathan. What is it? fishing pole. Nice job. Good job. All right. That's What is it?
No. One of these, somebody near me has some perfume on. It's burning my eyes.
Pull it. Yeah. Our last person.
Something I'm really bad at. Golf club.
All right, so my friends, in case you didn't know, on the 19th, we're having a STEAM day. So that means all day, everybody will have different STEAM activities going on. Each grade will have 2 different STEAM activities that they'll be doing. And then we have a great assembly happening where we get to play with robots and make fun stuff. And lots of like STEAM kits will be going out to the classrooms and stuff like that. So it'll be a super fun day that I can't wait for everybody to participate in. So keep your curiosity for this month, and hopefully Steve will help you out with that too.
All right, I want to thank you for being a great audience, and as Mrs. Tran said, throughout the month of January, I want you to really challenge your curiosity, whether it be in the classroom, outside, at home. Really push your thinking and start exploring something new, building that knowledge, and having some new experiences. All right, guys, have a great Friday.